If you use Telegram and you want a little more privacy, this quick setting is really important. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your account when someone forwards your messages on Telegram so other people can't easily tap through and link back to your profile. This is a simple privacy tweak, but it can make a big difference if you post in groups, chat with strangers, or just want more control over how your account appears. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Telegram tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner and tap the three lines menu icon. This opens the main menu where you can access your account settings. From there, tap Settings. Now you'll be inside Telegram's main settings area where you can control your profile, notifications, chat options, and privacy features. Next, find and tap Privacy and Security. This is the section where Telegram keeps all of the important account protection and visibility settings. If you want to control who can see your information or interact with your account through forwarded messages, this is exactly where you need to be. Once you're in Privacy and Security, scroll until you find Forwarded Messages and tap it. This option controls what happens when someone forwards one of your messages to another chat. Telegram can sometimes attach a link to your account, which means people may be able to tap your name and go straight to your profile. If you want to prevent that, this is the setting you need to change. On this page, you'll see the option that says, "Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my messages?" Tap that setting and then choose Nobody. This tells Telegram not to attach your account link when your messages are forwarded by other people. It's one of the best ways to keep your profile more private and reduce unwanted attention from forwarded content. After selecting Nobody, make sure to save the change if Telegram shows a save button or confirmation option. Once that's done, your setting is updated and your account will be much less visible when your messages are forwarded. And that's it, you've now hidden your account from forwarded messages on Telegram. It only takes a few taps, but it's a smart privacy move that can help protect your identity and keep your Telegram profile more secure. If this video was useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Telegram tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.